From now on, let's think about a question. Is the child more important or the machine tool more? It's no exaggeration to say
My client almost lost his family.
almost got divorced in the context of manufacturing competition. Every decision seems to be walking on a tightrope. I know many machine shop owners want to buy a car washing compounding machine to improve their competitiveness. But my client never thought that his decision almost broke up his family. The couple's conflict was not just about a machine tool, but more about their differences in future life. Children are the future and hope of the family. But the machine tool represents a breakthrough and it carries the vision of a better life. But under long-term losses, he chose to mortgage his house, to introduce a car company's compound, to gamble on the future of the company. Actually, at this time, I could still understand his true inner thoughts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that
$1,000,000 car. It was then that I realized it. It turns out that one person to achieve goals, there are various ways, including using your compassion,